FactSet Portfolio Management and Trading Online Training. Overview of FactSet Portfolio Management and Trading. FactSet Portfolio Management and Trading offers comprehensive solutions designed to support portfolio managers, traders, and other investment professionals in managing their portfolios and executing trades efficiently. Here's an overview of the key features and capabilities. Portfolio Management. FactSet provides tools and analytics to help portfolio managers make informed decisions. Key features include Portfolio Analytics. Performance Measurement. Evaluate portfolio performance with detailed analytics, including return attribution and risk metrics. Scenario Analysis. Model potential market conditions and their impact on portfolios. Exposure Analysis. Understand and manage exposures across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies. Risk Management. Risk Analytics. Assess portfolio risk using a variety of risk models, including factor-based and Monte Carlo simulations. Stress Testing. Perform stress tests to evaluate how portfolios might perform under adverse market conditions. VAR. Value at risk. Calculate and monitor the value at risk to understand potential losses. Portfolio Construction and Optimization. Asset Allocation. Develop and manage strategic and tactical asset allocation strategies. Optimization Tools. Utilize optimization algorithms to create efficient portfolios that maximize returns for a given level of risk. Rebalancing. Automate and manage portfolio rebalancing to maintain desired asset allocations. Data Integration and Customization. Data Integration. Integrate data from multiple sources, including market data, benchmarks, and proprietary data. Custom Reports. Create custom reports and dashboards to meet specific needs and preferences. Trading. FactSet's trading solutions are designed to streamline the trading process and improve execution efficiency. Key features include Order Management System (OMS). Order Generation. Create and manage orders with ease, from single orders to complex multi-leg strategies. Order Routing. Route orders to various trading venues and brokers using smart routing algorithms. Order Monitoring. Track order status in real time and manage order life cycle events. Execution Management System (EMS). Execution Tools. Access advanced execution tools to enhance trading strategies, including algorithmic trading and direct market access. Key features and benefits of FactSet Portfolio Management. FactSet Portfolio Management offers a suite of features and benefits designed to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of portfolio management. Here are some key features and benefits. Key features. Portfolio Analytics. Performance Measurement provides detailed performance analysis, including return calculations and attributions. Risk Analysis offers comprehensive risk metrics, scenario analysis, and stress testing. Scenario Analysis allows for the modeling of different market scenarios and their potential impact on portfolios. Portfolio Construction and Optimization. Model portfolios facilitates the creation and management of model portfolios. Optimization Tools includes tools for optimizing portfolios based on various criteria such as risk, return, and constraints. Rebalancing automates the rebalancing process to maintain target allocations. Data integration. Data aggregation integrates data from various sources, including proprietary data and third-party data. Customizable dashboards allows users to create dashboards tailored to their specific needs. Real-time data provides real-time data feeds for up-to-date analysis and decision-making. Reporting and compliance. Custom reporting enables the creation of custom reports for different stakeholders. Compliance monitoring helps ensure that portfolios comply with regulatory requirements and internal guidelines. Audit trails maintains detailed records of all actions and changes for compliance and audit purposes. Collaboration tools. Workflow management supports workflow automation and task management to improve efficiency. Team collaboration facilitates collaboration among team members with shared access to data and analytics. Technology and integration. API integration provides APIs for seamless integration with other systems and tools. Cloud-based offers cloud-based solutions for scalability and accessibility. Mobile access allows access to portfolio management tools and data from mobile devices. Enhancing decision-making with FactSet Analytics. Enhancing decision-making with FactSet Analytics involves leveraging its comprehensive suite of tools and data to support financial analysis, portfolio management, and risk assessment. Here's an overview of how FactSet Analytics can be used to enhance decision-making. 1. Comprehensive data access. FactSet provides access to a vast array of financial data, including real-time market data, historical data, and alternative data sources. This ensures that decision-makers have the most accurate and up-to-date information available. 2. Advanced analytics and modeling. FactSet's advanced analytics tools allow users to perform in-depth financial modeling, scenario analysis, and stress testing. These capabilities enable users to forecast potential outcomes and make more informed decisions based on robust quantitative analysis. 3. Customizable dashboards. FactSet offers customizable dashboards that can be tailored to meet the specific needs of different users. These dashboards provide a consolidated view of relevant data and analytics, making it easier to monitor key metrics and trends. 4. Portfolio analysis and optimization. FactSet's portfolio analysis tools enable users to evaluate portfolio performance, identify risks, and optimize asset allocation. The platform supports multi-asset class analysis and helps in constructing portfolios that align with investment objectives and risk tolerance. 5. Risk management. FactSet provides comprehensive risk management tools that help in identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks. Users can perform value at risk (VAR) analysis, stress testing, and scenario analysis to understand the impact of different risk factors on their portfolios. 6. Collaboration and sharing. FactSet supports collaboration by allowing users to share reports, models, and dashboards with team members. This facilitates better communication and ensures that everyone is working with the same data and insights. 7. Integration with other tools. FactSet integrates seamlessly with other financial tools and platforms, enabling users to incorporate FactSet data and analytics into their existing workflows. This integration enhances efficiency and ensures a consistent flow of information across different systems. 8. Machine learning and AI. FactSet leverages machine learning and AI to enhance its analytics capabilities. These technologies help in identifying patterns, trends, and anomalies that might not be apparent through traditional analysis methods. Advanced trading strategies with FactSet. FactSet offers a range of tools and data to support advanced trading strategies. Here are some key aspects and features that can help in developing and implementing these strategies. 1. Quantitative research. Alpha testing. Backtest and evaluate trading strategies to identify alpha opportunities using FactSet's historical market data. Quantitative models. Create and refine quantitative models using extensive data sets, including financial, economic, and alternative data. 2. Portfolio management. Risk management. Utilize FactSet's risk models to assess and manage portfolio risk. Performance attribution. Analyze portfolio performance and attribution to understand the sources of returns and risks. 3. Market data and analytics. Real-time data. Access real-time market data for equities, fixed income, derivatives, and other asset classes to make timely trading decisions. Technical analysis. Employ technical indicators and charting tools to identify trading signals and trends. 4. Trading and execution. Order management. Integrate with order management systems to streamline trade execution and ensure compliance with trading rules. Transaction cost analysis. TCA. Analyze and optimize trading costs to improve execution quality and minimize slippage. 5. Customization and integration. APIs and data feeds. Leverage FactSet's APIs and data feeds to integrate data and analytics into custom trading platforms and applications. Custom workflows. Build custom workflows tailored to specific trading strategies and processes. 6. Alternative data. Data integration. Incorporate alternative data sources such as social media sentiment, satellite imagery, and web traffic to enhance trading strategies. Sentiment analysis. Use sentiment analysis tools to gauge market sentiment and predict market movements. Risk management tools in FactSet. FactSet offers a range of risk management tools designed to help investment professionals identify, measure, and manage risk across their portfolios. Here are some of the key tools and features. 1. Risk models. Multi-asset class models. FactSet provides models that cover a wide range of asset classes, including equities, fixed income, derivatives, and commodities. These models help in understanding the risk factors affecting each asset class and their correlations. Factor models. These models analyze how different factors such as market, size, value, momentum, and others contribute to the portfolio's risk. 2. VAR, value at risk. Historical VAR estimates potential losses based on historical price movements. Parametric VAR uses statistical models to estimate potential losses based on assumed normal distribution of returns. Monte Carlo simulation provides a more comprehensive risk analysis by simulating a wide range of possible future price movements and calculating potential losses. 3. Stress testing and scenario analysis. Custom scenarios allows users to create and test custom stress scenarios to see how their portfolios would perform under different market conditions. Historical scenarios tests portfolio performance against historical market events, such as the 2008 financial crisis. 4. Risk decomposition. Contribution to risk breaks down the overall portfolio risk to understand the contribution of individual securities, sectors, or asset classes. Risk attribution analyzes how different factors contribute to the overall risk and performance of the portfolio. 5. Liquidity risk management. Liquidity scores provides a measure of the liquidity of individual securities and the overall portfolio. Liquidity stress testing assesses how easily a portfolio can be liquidated under different market conditions. 6. Fixed income risk management. Interest rate risk measures the sensitivity of fixed income securities to changes in interest rates. Credit risk evaluates the creditworthiness of bond issuers and the potential impact on the portfolio. 7. Risk reporting. Customizable dashboards. FactSet's dashboards allow users to visualize and track various risk metrics in real time. Automated reporting generates regular risk reports that can be customized to meet specific needs. Data visualization in FactSet for portfolio analysis. Data visualization in FactSet is a powerful tool for portfolio analysis, enabling users to gain insights and make informed decisions. Here are some key aspects and features related to data visualization in FactSet for portfolio analysis. 1. Dashboard customization. Interactive dashboards. Users can create customized dashboards that display key metrics and visualizations for their portfolios. These dashboards can be tailored to show relevant information at a glance. Widgets. FactSet offers a variety of widgets that can be added to dashboards, such as charts, graphs, and tables. 2. Charting and graphing tools. Time series charts visualize historical performance data of portfolios, individual securities, or indices. Heat maps use heat maps to quickly identify underperforming or outperforming assets within a portfolio. Scatter plots analyze the relationship between different variables such as risk versus return. 3. Analytical tools. Risk-return analysis, visual tools to assess the risk and return characteristics of portfolios. Performance attribution, break down the performance of a portfolio to understand the contribution of different factors or asset classes. Factor exposure analysis, visualize how a portfolio is exposed to various factors, such as market, size, value, and momentum. 4. Reporting and presentation. Automated reports generate and customize reports with visualizations that can be shared with clients or stakeholders. Presentation-ready charts create charts and graphs that are ready for presentations, making it easier to communicate insights. 5. Integration with other FactSet modules. FactSet Portfolio Analysis (FPA) use visual tools within FPA to analyze and visualize portfolio data. Quantitative analytics. Combine quantitative analysis with visual tools to better understand complex data sets. 6. Real-time data and alerts. Live data feeds. Incorporate real-time data into visualizations to monitor portfolios dynamically. Custom alerts. Set up visual alerts for specific portfolio metrics to stay informed of important changes. Portfolio optimization techniques in FactSet. FactSet offers several portfolio optimization techniques that can help manage and enhance the performance of investment portfolios. Here are some key techniques and features available in FactSet for portfolio optimization. 1. Mean Variance Optimization, MVO. Purpose: balances the trade-off between risk and return by selecting a mix of assets that maximizes expected return for a given level of risk. Process: involves calculating the expected returns, variances, and covariances of different assets to construct an efficient frontier. 2. Black-Litterman Model. Purpose: enhances traditional MVO by incorporating investor views and market equilibrium. Process: combines prior market equilibrium returns with subjective views to produce a new set of expected returns for optimization. 3. Factor-based optimization. Purpose: uses risk factors, example market, size, value, momentum, to construct portfolios that have desired exposures to these factors. Process: involves identifying and quantifying factor exposures and then optimizing the portfolio to achieve target factor exposures while managing risk. 4. Robust optimization. Purpose: addresses uncertainty in model inputs, such as expected returns and covariances, to create more resilient portfolios. Process: incorporates uncertainty measures into the optimization process, leading to portfolios that perform well under various scenarios. 5. Risk parity. Purpose: focuses on allocating risk evenly across different assets or asset classes rather than capital. Process: determines the risk contribution of each asset and adjusts the portfolio weights to equalize these contributions. 6. Scenario analysis and stress testing. Purpose: evaluates how portfolios perform under various hypothetical or historical stress scenarios. Process: involves applying different market shocks and analyzing their impact on portfolio performance and risk metrics. 7. Multi-objective optimization. Purpose: optimizes for multiple objectives, such as maximizing return, minimizing risk, and achieving specific factor exposures. Process: uses advanced optimization algorithms to find portfolios that best satisfy multiple constraints and objectives. Improving operational efficiency with FactSet. Improving operational efficiency with FactSet involves leveraging its comprehensive suite of tools and capabilities to streamline processes, enhance decision-making, and optimize performance. Here are some key ways to achieve this. 1. Data integration and management. Centralized data hub. Utilize FactSet's data management solutions to integrate diverse data sources into a single, cohesive platform. This ensures consistency, reduces redundancy, and improves data accessibility. Automated data processing. Implement automated data feeds and processing workflows to reduce manual intervention and errors. This can significantly speed up data preparation and analysis. to advanced analytics and insights. Portfolio analytics. Use FactSet's portfolio analysis tools to gain deeper insights into portfolio performance, risk, and attribution. Advanced analytics can help identify trends, uncover hidden risks, and optimize investment strategies. Predictive analytics. Leverage predictive analytics to forecast market trends, identify potential investment opportunities, and make more informed decisions. 3. Custom reporting and dashboards. Dynamic dashboards. Create interactive dashboards that provide real-time insights into key performance indicators, KPIs. This enables quick identification of issues and opportunities. Custom reports. Generate custom reports tailored to specific operational needs, providing detailed analysis and actionable insights. 4. Collaboration and workflow management. Collaborative tools. Utilize FactSet's collaboration features to improve communication and coordination across teams. Shared workspaces and document repositories can enhance teamwork and information sharing. Workflow automation. Automate routine workflows to reduce manual tasks and improve efficiency. This can include everything from data entry to complex analytical processes. 5. Risk management. Risk analysis. Employ FactSet's risk management tools to assess and mitigate risks at both the portfolio and enterprise levels. Regular risk assessments can help in proactively addressing potential issues. Compliance monitoring. Use compliance tools to ensure adherence to regulatory requirements and internal policies, reducing the risk of non-compliance. How can FactSet Trading enhance execution strategies? FactSet Trading enhances execution strategies through a combination of advanced tools and technologies designed to optimize trading performance, reduce costs, and manage risk. Here are several key features and capabilities of FactSet Trading that contribute to enhanced execution strategies. Advanced analytics. Pre-trade analytics. FactSet provides tools for analyzing market conditions, historical data, and potential impacts before executing trades. This helps in making informed decisions. Post-trade analytics. These tools analyze the performance of executed trades, offering insights into slippage, market impact, and overall execution quality. Algorithmic trading. FactSet offers a variety of algorithmic trading strategies that can be tailored to specific needs. These algorithms help in executing trades efficiently while minimizing market impact and trading costs. Algorithms can be customized based on factors such as order size, market conditions, and risk tolerance. Smart order routing. FactSet's smart order routing technology helps in finding the best available prices across multiple trading venues. It optimizes the routing of orders to achieve the best possible execution prices. The system takes into account factors such as liquidity, fees, and latency. Real-time market data. Access to real-time market data allows traders to make timely decisions based on current market conditions. FactSet integrates data from multiple sources, providing a comprehensive view of the market. Risk management tools. FactSet offers robust risk management tools to monitor and manage trading risk. This includes real-time risk assessment, scenario analysis, and stress testing. Traders can set predefined risk limits and receive alerts when these limits are approached or breached. Transaction Cost Analysis (TCA). FactSet provides TCA tools to measure and analyze the costs associated with trading. This helps in identifying areas where costs can be reduced and execution efficiency can be improved. TCA reports can be customized to provide detailed insights into trading performance. What analytics tools are available in FactSet for portfolio performance? In FactSet, there are several analytics tools available for portfolio performance evaluation and management. Some key analytics tools include Portfolio Analysis provides detailed insights into portfolio composition, risk metrics, and performance attribution. Risk Management offers tools for measuring and managing risk exposures within portfolios, including volatility analysis, value at risk, VAR, and stress testing. Performance Attribution helps in understanding the drivers of portfolio performance relative to benchmarks, sectors, or individual securities. Factor Analysis analyzes portfolio returns based on underlying factors such as style factors, example, value, growth, or macroeconomic factors. Scenario Analysis allows users to simulate different market scenarios to assess the impact on portfolio returns and risk. Custom Reporting enables customized reporting of portfolio analytics tailored to specific client needs or regulatory requirements. What risk management solutions does FactSet offer for portfolios? FactSet offers comprehensive risk management solutions tailored for portfolios. Here are some key features and capabilities. Risk Analytics. FactSet provides robust analytics to assess risk across various dimensions, including market risk, credit risk, liquidity risk, and more. This helps portfolio managers understand potential exposures and make informed decisions. Scenario Analysis. Users can perform scenario analysis to evaluate how portfolios might perform under different market conditions or hypothetical scenarios. This feature is crucial for stress testing and contingency planning. Factor-based risk models. FactSet offers factor-based risk models that allow users to analyze portfolio risk exposures to different factors such as interest rates, currencies, sectors, and styles. This helps in understanding sources of risk and optimizing portfolios accordingly. VAR, Value at Risk, Calculation. FactSet calculates VAR metrics to estimate the potential loss in value of a portfolio under normal market conditions over a specified period. This metric is essential for measuring and managing downside risk. Risk Attribution. FactSet's risk attribution capabilities enable users to attribute portfolio performance to various risk factors, helping them identify which factors contributed most to the portfolio's returns or losses. Regulatory Compliance. FactSet's solutions often include features to help portfolios comply with regulatory requirements related to risk management, providing transparency and auditability. Customizable Reporting. Users can generate customizable reports that summarize risk metrics, analysis results, and insights tailored to their specific needs or client requirements. Overall, FactSet's portfolio risk management solutions are designed to enhance decision-making capabilities by providing deep insights into portfolio risk exposures and helping users mitigate risks effectively. How can FactSet improve operational efficiency in portfolio management? FactSet can significantly improve operational efficiency in portfolio management through several key capabilities. Data integration and aggregation. FactSet aggregates data from multiple sources, including market data, research, and client-specific data. This integration reduces the time and effort spent on manual data gathering and reconciliation. Analytics and visualization. FactSet offers robust analytics and visualization tools that enable portfolio managers to quickly analyze performance, risk metrics, and attribution across portfolios. This helps in making informed decisions swiftly. Workflow automation. Automation features in FactSet streamline routine tasks such as reporting, compliance checks, and portfolio rebalancing. This reduces operational overhead and allows portfolio managers to focus more on strategic activities. Risk management. FactSet provides sophisticated risk management tools that help in identifying and mitigating risks effectively. This proactive approach enhances overall portfolio management efficiency by preemptively addressing potential issues. Collaboration and communication. FactSet supports collaboration among team members by providing centralized access to data and reports. This fosters better communication and coordination, improving overall team efficiency. Compliance and regulatory support. FactSet helps in maintaining compliance with regulatory requirements through automated checks and reporting capabilities. This ensures that portfolios adhere to relevant guidelines without manual intervention. Scalability and performance. FactSet's scalable architecture and performance tuning capabilities ensure that as the portfolio management needs grow, the system can handle increased data volumes and complex analysis efficiently. By leveraging these capabilities, FactSet enables portfolio managers to operate more efficiently, reduce operational risks, and focus on generating alpha for their clients or stakeholders. Why choose ProExcellency for FactSet portfolio management and trading online training? Choosing ProExcellency for FactSet portfolio management and trading online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise in FactSet. ProExcellency specializes in providing training on FactSet, ensuring that you receive instruction from experts who deeply understand the platform's nuances and capabilities. Customized training programs. They offer tailored training programs that can be adapted to your specific needs and skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to understand the basics or an advanced user aiming to refine your skills, ProExcellency can accommodate your requirements. Hands-on learning. Their training methodology typically includes hands-on exercises and practical examples. This approach helps reinforce theoretical concepts and ensures that you gain practical experience using FactSet in real-world scenarios. Industry-relevant curriculum. The training curriculum is designed to be industry-relevant, focusing on practical applications that are directly applicable to portfolio management and trading contexts. Flexibility in learning. ProExcellency often offers flexible learning options such as self-paced courses or live online sessions. This flexibility allows you to learn at your own pace and schedule, making it convenient for professionals with busy schedules. Support and guidance. Participants often receive ongoing support and guidance throughout the training period. This can include access to instructors for clarification of doubts, additional resources, and post-training assistance. Certification and recognition. Depending on the program, ProExcellency may offer certification upon completion of the training. This certification can enhance your resume and validate your proficiency in using FactSet for portfolio management and trading. Cost-effective training solutions. Compared to traditional in-person training programs, online training with ProExcellency can be cost-effective while still delivering high-quality education. Thank you.